Do you know in 2023 about 10.6 million people were diagnosed with TB, and among these 10.6 million people that were diagnosed with TB, about 1.3 million people died as a result of TB globally, and this was reported by WHO in 2023. But what is TB? What are the signs and symptoms of TB? How do one prevent him or herself from TB? Stay tuned as we will be bringing you all these details that you need to know about TB. TB, which basically means tuberculosis and abbreviated as TB, is a bacterial infection that is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It primarily affects the lungs, but if the condition worsens, it can advance and affect other organs in the body, the likes of liver and other organs in the body. Yeah, so TB basically are in two types. First, we have the latent TB infection, that is usually the early stage of the TB. At this stage, the infection is not generally contagious because the signs and symptoms are not present, and it does not usually infect the patient. But if this stage is left untreated or left unchecked, it can advance to the other type, that is the active stage. The active TB infection is the stage where the infection starts showing signs and symptoms, and it's also the stage where the infection become contagious, and it can affect your lungs and generally your health. The TB is transmitted from one individual to another through respiratory droplets. Let's say if an individual that is infected with TB coughs or sneezes, this person will release a fluid. That fluid, if it gets access to another individual that is not infected, will be infected with TB. This is one way that individual can transmit TB from one person to another. And the signs and symptoms of TB includes persistent cough continuously for about 2 weeks, night sweats, body loss or weight loss, and also coughing with blood and fatigue, and most of the time chest pain as well. These are all signs and symptoms of TB. And now to the preventive tips. One very important preventive tips of TB is maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Most individuals do not practice a healthy lifestyle. All we do is eat, sleep, a continuous routine. But it's very important that you maintain a healthy lifestyle. That would include like going to health facilities for regular checkups. It's only through these means that you can detect if you are having any health complication. But if you are not doing regular checkup, you might not know this. This is why most of the times we only realize that we are infected with a specific disease when it has already become very hectic for us to control. It has already started affecting the system. That's the only time most individuals realize that they are having this condition. But if you have been going to the health facility for regular checkups, you'll be able to detect illness at their early stage, and at their early stage is usually very easy to control them. But if it is detected lately, it becomes very difficult to control them. This is why maintaining a healthy lifestyle that would include regular medical checkups is very important, and is very crucial when it comes to preventing TB. Yeah, another preventive tips of TB is vaccination. Most of the time, infants, children that are within the age range of uh, from birth to 5 years are usually vaccinated with what we call BCG vaccine. BCG vaccine is a vaccine that is basically to prevent those children from being infected with the tuberculosis bacteria. Or even whereas you are an adult, what you can do is to advocate for children to go for routines RCH sessions. This way, every children will be vaccinated against tuberculosis, and that will help to reduce the tuberculosis burden in the country and at the global level generally. Yeah, so basically this is all we have for you today. This is the official page of the health ministry. Uh, Do good to support us, like our page, follow, and do share our videos, as we will be bringing you just the content that you will need to improve your own health and those around you. So do good, like this video, follow us, and share the video. Thank you.